What is account information and what does AISP stand for? Account information refers to a type of open banking API offered in the UK and in Europe. This open banking API allows third parties to access key data sets from consumers, of course with their consent. The data sets include identity, transactions, and product definition. So if we start with identity, that's simply the name of the customer, although some banks do provide additional data points as well. Transactions, well, that's full detail on the transactions in the bank accounts shared. Everything from amount, time, currency, even to the reference codes attached to those transactions. And then finally, product data. This might be as simple as this is a current account, all the way through to if it's a credit card, providing the interest rate as well. So account information in Europe and the UK refers to these three data sets. AISPs are the companies that are able to access this data, account information service providers. Importantly, these companies are regulated. They're regulated because they access very sensitive data, and they need to be issued with what's called a certificate. Now, this certificate is used as part of the API call to the bank, and it simply allows the bank to know that this is a regulated company and it should allow its customers to share data with that company. What's also really important around AISPs in Europe and the UK is that they can take access to data going through to the future. So not only does a customer authenticate to share the data once, they can authenticate to share that data for up to 180 days in Europe. And in the UK, they can actually do a rolling click-in authentication for potentially years. So that's why it's really important these businesses are regulated. And if they do something that they shouldn't, that licensing is revoked and the bank is able to understand that they shouldn't share data on a continuing basis with that company. So, account information is the key data in the bank accounts, and AISP stands for Account Information Service Providers, the companies that are regulated to access that information and do brilliant innovative things with it. Thank you for watching. If you like these videos, there are many more on my YouTube channel. Please do go ahead and subscribe. My name's Kieran O'Malley. Thank you.